Have you ever put on false eyelashes only to feel like these don't match my eyes? Something about them are off. Maybe you've experienced putting on lashes and you just take them off because they don't feel right or they don't match your eyes. Well, I've definitely been there. And the secret to making lashes look good on your eyes isn't just about the quality, or it's not just about the style, but it's actually about your eye shape. In this video, I'm going to show you how to identify your eye shape and what lashes perfectly complements your unique eye shape. And these tips will immediately help you to step up your lash game. So let's get started. Welcome back to Revolutionize Beauty channel, where we discuss all things lashes and makeup for small eyes. So you may be asking, why is eye shape important? I'm sure you have went into the store and looked at the eyelash section, or even looked on websites and just kind of felt overwhelmed. There were so many choices and you didn't know what to choose. So you just choose anything, or you may just choose nothing at all and leave. So the thing is, lash styles are created intentionally to complement certain lash features. And if you know your eye shape, then now you can zero in on specific lash styles that are going to match and complement your eyes. There are 6 main eye shapes. So number 1, you have your almond eyes. Number 2, you have your upturned eyes. Number 3, you have your round eyes. Number 4, you have your hooded eyes. Number 5, your monolid eyes. And lastly, you have your downturned eyes. In a different video, we're going to discuss the characteristics of each eye shape. But in this video, we're just going to talk about how to find your eye shape. So this is how you find your eye shape. You're going to look forward into a mirror with your eyes wide open. And you're going to look for an invisible crease. If there's no crease at all, then that means you have a monolid eye shape. This is your lid. If the crease now covers the full lid, you have a hooded eye. If you have a monolid, you're going to look for lashes with a light crisscross design. This will emphasize the lash line. And you want to avoid too dense lashes. Now, the perfect lashes for this kind of eye shape is going to be the perfect in the Essence Lash in our Revolutionize lash line. If you have hooded eyes, you're going to look for lashes that are long in the center and that tapers toward the ends. This is going to add depth to the eyes, and this is going to emphasize the natural eye shape. The lashes that would be best for this in our Revolutionize lash line are flawless and exclusive. Now, if you do have a visible crease, pretend to draw a straight line across the eyes, or use a sheet of paper and place right across the eyes with the pupil in the middle. If the outer corners are above the lines, that means your eyes are upturned.
I also wanted to add, if your eyes slant up slightly, then more than likely you also do have upturned eyes. So even if the corners of your eyes don't go above the line, if you notice that your eyes slant up, then you have upturned eyes.
If the outer corners are below the line, this means your eyes are downturned. If you have upturned eyes, you want to look for winged lashes. This will further enhance that beautiful upturned shape. If you have downturned eyes, aim for low volume crisscross lashes with the longest lashes at the center of the eye. And this will actually add lift to the entire eye. Our upturned eyes, our superior, our epitome, our finest, and our formidable lash will be the best lashes to complement these eyes. For downturned eyes, our classic, our perfect, and our essence lash will perfectly complement this eye shape. If the eyes don't pull up or pull down, and you can see the white around the iris of the eye, then that means you have a round eye. If the eyes don't pull up or down and you can't see the white above or below the irises, this means you have almond eyes. Irises will touch the top and the bottom of the lid. If you have almond eyes, voluminous lashes with winged ends are going to best enhance this eye shape, although a wide variety of lashes will complement this eye shape. For this, you can check out our prime lash, our superior, and our finest lashes to achieve this. If you have round eyes, wispy winged lashes are really going to help open the eye. Avoid eyelashes that are too thick. So the styles in our line that are best going to complement this eye shape are Superior, Epitome, and Finest Lashes. I hope this video was helpful. If you have small eyes and you would like to have lashes picked out specifically for your eye shape, take the quiz, and the link is down in the description box, and lashes that are perfectly suited for you will be picked out for you. Well, I hope you liked this video. I hope this was helpful. Like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.